This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tom Waters and Less Than Bedroom Greater Than Gloria Waters. Great opportunity to purchase multi-story, 2-bed/2-bath condo plus loft plus garage. Maintenance-free, gated community a short distance to the crystal, quartz sandy beaches of Siesta Key. Second floor unit is ideally positioned for privacy. End unit is light and bright. The kitchen has a breakfast bar, closet pantry, track lighting, tiled floors and all appliances included. Vaulted ceiling adds to the open floor plan. There are 2 master en-suites on the main level each with an attached tiled bath, ceiling fans and a walk-in closet. Upstairs is a wonderful 3rd bedroom space, perfect for a home office, home gym or game room. ADMIRAL'S WALK community amenities include large clubhouse, fitness room, billiard room, kitchen, heated swimming pool, spa and gated entry. Just minutes to Siesta Beach. Awesome location close to area golf courses, restaurants, Palmer Crossing Shopping Center, Walmart, Walgreens, Twin Lakes Park, Legacy Trail, UTC Mall and I-75 exit.